So, we're back with a come and dine with us. 318, that's his weight. He's at a high weight now with the breeding season on us. And yeah, right, he's got his chick, what he's having for his lunch, as always. Good boy. He's actually got a pigeon nest out the back now as well. It's got 2 eggs in, so I'm interested to see if it hatches. I hope she does. I've got a couple of pictures of the 1 egg, and I've got a picture with the 2 eggs in the nest. So I'm hoping. I'm not going round every day. Just going round every, 3 or 4 days just to make sure it's all okay and that. But yesterday when I went round, she was literally sitting on the nest, and I don't want to frighten her, Nice. I think it was last year we had another pigeon. Come on. Pigeon nest round there, and I weighed them and everything, and it went down really well on TikTok. So I might do that again this year with these ones. Yay, he's enjoying it. He is, he's enjoying it. Come on. It's like, really? Come on. Good boy. Run. Good boy. Another one. Stuck on your beak. There you go. Good lad. He's enjoying it. Yeah. Obviously when he sneezes, that's him getting rid of the fluid. The blood. He's doing really well at the minute. And you're doing really well. Come on. Sometimes you've got to coax him because he gets a little bit distracted, and then you'll pick it up. You've got to make it like he thinks it's alive. Strange, I know. Mum. You'll see him bend up when you'll be able to see that on the glove. Good boy. Good lad. This has got to be the quickest yet. No. On there, please. That's it. Good boy. That's got to be the quickest he's eaten up to now. Yeah, that's nice. Enjoyed that? Yeah, you have. Is that? I'm not going to shout. Shh. No? No, he's had enough shouting. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Come down with us. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, a hype, a subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. And leave a comment. It really does help the channel out. And yeah guys, I will see you all later. Bye guys. I could say bye-bye. Shh. That's a little one. Shh. Good boy. There, that's him saying bye-bye guys. Bye.